Hi guys, my favorite winter season fruit is in season blood oranges, and I'm super excited. I absolutely love these fruits for their taste, for their color. Each fruit is special, it's different, and you are always surprised with something different inside when you cut the fruits. They can be really dark red, or they can have just a little of that red. So they're always different, they're always unique. I absolutely love these fruits for both eating them like that, using the juices from the fruits, and also for using them for different kinds of recipes. Today I want to share a delicious winter salad recipe with you with these delicious blood oranges. We really enjoyed this delicious salad with the blood oranges, and I hope you will enjoy it too. I must say, I really love the salads which have a little fruit in them, because that makes the salads really exciting. It doesn't, well, they're not boring at all. I know a lot of people think salads are really boring, but when you add a little fruit, it makes them really tasty. I hope you will be trying out this salad recipe, and I hope you will like it. If you like this recipe and this video, don't forget that thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, you can subscribe over here, and if you tap the bell, you won't miss any of the new recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.